Elon Musk just dropped a serious AI bomb. The Grok 3 API is now live, and xAI is officially entering the ring to battle ChatGPT and Google's Gemini. But does Grok 3 stand a chance? Or is this another expensive science experiment backed by Twitter's billionaire boss? Let's break it down. xAI has officially launched two versions of its AI models via the Grok API, Grok 3 and Grok 3 Mini. These models support both text and image inputs, making them versatile for real-world applications like automation, chatbots, content generation, and more. Elon Musk isn't just hyping things up this time, he's giving developers real tools to explore his bold vision of AI. Grok 3 offers performance, but it comes with a hefty price tag. The main model costs $3 per million input tokens and $15 per million output tokens. Grok 3 Mini is available at 30 cents input per 50 cents output for those seeking a cheaper option. A premium speed tier also reaches up to $25 per million output tokens. While it's positioned similarly to Anthropic's Claude 3.7 Sonnet, Grok still falls behind Gemini 2.5 Pro in benchmark performance, despite being more expensive. Grok was originally promoted as a bold, no-filter alternative to mainstream AIs, and Grok 3 stays true to that identity. It now comes with improved reasoning and comprehension. However, not everything is as promised. While xAI claims Grok supports up to 1 million tokens, the current API only allows 131,072 tokens, leading to some developer criticism and concerns over reliability versus marketing claims. Grok's political alignment has stirred debate since its earlier versions. While previous models were accused of leaning left or dodging controversial topics, Elon Musk has promised that Grok 3 would be politically neutral. So far, that claim remains unverified. Some users feel the neutrality is still inconsistent, and many are watching closely to see if Grok really breaks away from bias or just embraces a different kind. Grok 3 might not beat GPT-4 or Gemini 2.5 Pro right now, but it does bring something unique to the table: Elon Musk's influence. With direct integration into X, formerly Twitter, growing developer access, and a bold brand voice, Grok is carving out its niche. It may not be dominating yet, but it's shaking things up in the AI landscape, and that alone makes it worth watching. So, can Grok 3 truly rival ChatGPT and Gemini? Or is it just Elon being Elon? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Have you tested Grok yet? Would you pay for it at these prices? Stay ahead with the latest advancement in technology and innovation. Visit our website to learn more, and don't forget to like, share this video, and subscribe for our latest updates.